¿Seguro que vamos bien por aquí?
Pues claro que sí. Escucha, escucha. Acerquémonos y verás.
¿Pero tú te has dado cuenta de lo que has hecho, Valentino? Que me has dado una patada y me has tirado.
Patada? Ma che cosa dici? Voi tutto l'anni prestando aiuto a Lorenzo e allora io so che ti do una patata. La corsa è la corsa e se voi non sapete come giocare.
Valentino, il dottore, más pareces un sacamuelas.
Paz, amigos, paz. ¿Podrían prestarnos un minuto de atención si son tan amables?
Chi sono voi? Il viaggieri del tempo? Voi siete famosi, voi state a tutte le notizieri.
Sí, sabíamos de vuestra visita. Os hemos preparado una bolsa de musgo del circuito. Esperamos que no se seque del todo en unos 60 años.
Muchas gracias, sí. Valentino, Marc, no discutan, que está todo grabado y parece que la razón la tiene.
This car could be systematic, hydromatic, ultramatic. Why could be grease lightning?
We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah. Keep talking. Fuel injection cut up in chrome and rods, oh yeah. With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door. You know that ain't the shit with a glass and 10 grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip lap drives. You are supreme, just a cream for grease lightning. Purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual muffler twins, oh yeah. With new pistols, plugs and shocks, I can get all my rocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real pussy wagon. Grease lightning, grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting to the hip lap drives. You are supreme, the chicks are cream for grease lightning. Grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting to the hip lap drives. You are supreme, the chicks are cream for grease lightning.